In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Shopify Starter Plan. To begin, open your browser and go to shopify.com/starter. This is where you can sign up for the Shopify Starter Plan and begin creating your store. Follow the sign-up process on screen and enter the basic details Shopify asks for to create your account. Take your time here and make sure everything is entered correctly because this will be the foundation for the rest of your setup. Once your account is ready, the next thing you will want to do is set up payments. Inside your Shopify dashboard, go to Settings and then select Payments. Here, activate Shopify Payments. This step is very important because it allows you to accept payments from customers directly through your store. As you complete this section, Shopify may ask for business and banking details to verify your account and enable payouts. Make sure the information you provide is accurate so there are no delays when you start receiving orders. After payments are set up, go back to Settings and open Shipping and Delivery. This is where you will configure your shipping rate. Your shipping settings determine what customers are charged at checkout, so it is important to review them carefully. You can set rates based on the way you want to ship your products and the costs you want to pass along. If you are just getting started, keep your setup simple and easy to manage, then adjust it later as your business grows. Next, go to your domain settings so you can view your store domain. This is the address linked to your Shopify store. It is useful to check this early so you know exactly what link is connected to your shop. This is also the section where you can review how your store is presented online and make sure everything looks correct from the start. Finally, go to Sales Channels. In this area, you can see the apps and channels connected to your store. This gives you a clear view of where your products may appear and what tools are currently linked to your Shopify setup. It is a good idea to review this section so you understand what is already active and what you may want to use later. Once you have completed these areas, your Shopify Starter Plan will be set up and ready for the next stage of your store launch. That covers everything you need to know.